So it's Father's Day 2018, and I got taken along to a very fun car show, and there was a lot of Australian muscle cars there. This here is an XBGT that's switching over to a HQ Holden. So I'm just going to take you through. I walked around, looked at quite a lot of the different cars. There's some XYGTs as well. So if you want to see some American GMH and some Australian GMH cars that we call Holden, and some Australian Ford, like this black XYGT here, then I will let you loose and have a look at these hot cars with a very non-standard turbo.
They did not come out with turbos. Not a lot of air cleaner action on there. Huge turbo has been added onto this with big induction up over the top. Very, very slick looking motor car. The American V8 engine in them. But this is the Australian, got some American muscle sitting right beside. It's a 1970 Mustang. Again, really clean, really nice. And then more Australian muscle over here. There's an XA Falcon GT. About 1971 and onwards. 71, 72. Hard tops. Really cool. More Australian muscle here. The Tirana. Holden. Tirana. Yeah. Really cool. There's a sleeper over here. Here's a Monaro, the purple one. Again, a Holden GTS. So again, this is Australian muscle cars with a huge engine in there with a few idle rock added parts on there. Polycarby. Really looking the part. Supercharger down there. And then here, I love this one. You wonder what this old Commodore's again. This is an Aussie car, very standard. I love lawn bowls on the back. Got the tow bar. Absolute, looks like a standard heap of car. But a little bit of attention to detail being played under here. She's a classic sleeper. Really big turbo. Have a look at the size. The dump bike out the back of that. It's absolutely huge. So a straight six, but yeah, that thing's going to move. So but from the outside with the faded trim, just a gorgeous sleeper. Really well done. And then up here. My son's pointing out that lovely attention to detail on the valve cap there. So there's a bunch of hot rods. We've got having a bit more American muscle further. Some more American muscle going here. Beautiful old Fairlane. She's, I could be wrong, but I'm thinking that one started life in America. I don't think so. Cole 63, I think she's a 1963. Love the wing at the back down there. Yeah, that's a funny thing, because the next fins and lines. Nice Mustang sitting right beside it. Came out with a V8. This one's an D Falcon. Went to a different body style from the big heavy metal. It got the lot lighter construction. Again, came out with a V8. Didn't come out with a bonnet scoop like that though. XD Falcons were made famous by a racing car driver here in Australia by the name of Dick Johnson. Had a green racing car. Unfortunately, also very, very famous for hitting a rock. But it's a fair one here, a clean little car. And no doubt worked over. Now here's the first Falcons that came to Australia. Came looking like this. XK, XL, XM, XP were our first Falcons. So look at the front. Pursuit 170. I had a Super Pursuit 170, an XR, 1969. It was my first car. This one here, I'm thinking that's an XM at a guess. Someone put something in the comment if I'm wrong. I don't think it's an XP. So that's my guess, but someone please let me know what this blue car is. Again, really sweet. Really nice. So over here we're sticking with the Fords, XY. Again, with the factory rear spoiler on the back. Very famous. These probably the most famous Aussie muscle car is the XY Falcon. And that's the original GT mirror. They had a smaller mirror. 351 GT with the Subaru on it, the Aussie V8. And there it is, but it's actually an American V8 of course, either out of Windsor or Cleveland. Super clean car. And over here we're back to GMH again. And an old Ford here, beaming with him as he goes past. That's so USA, the old Ford pickup. But here, a HQ Holden, Monaro. Great muscle car again. That Aussie, everyone's going. Another Ford here. And then this is an EH Holden. Get far enough back so you can see it. With an oldie. Again, beautiful example. Not so much a muscle car, not a V8 in these, I don't think, just a 6. But it's a real classic Australian car right here.
Yeah. Photo of it.
And speaking of low cars, there's even an F1 promoting the Australian GP. Another XY. There you go, getting a full body shot on the XY. That is by far the most iconic. There's 3 or 4 of them here. It's got a factory shaker on it, got the proper driving lights, proper front spoiler. The wheels are wrong, but everything else looks really, really good. Again, got the 351 GT with the Subaru on it. Not Subaru, but Subaru. And some more American muscle over here with a Chevelle. And that's a Riviera. Oh, look at the colour of the upholstery. It's funky. That's spaceship material. That's very spaceship material. Going off here with some more Aussie. Don't know if you call it muscles. It's just a straight 6 but very clean. This was the GMH car, old Commodore. And over this side, an XY. This is the year before the, sorry, an XW that is. The year before the XY. It's got just a little lip in the grille there rather than a solid bar. Again, these came with the big V8. Now that signature on the top there, that's Alan Moffat. Alan Moffat's a very famous racing car driver in Australia. Again, he raced for Ford. And you've got a burnt orange XB. My brother had an XB Falcon. As a matter of fact, I was with him when he painted his, put the black arches around and the GT 351 stickers on it. His was a weird blue colour. This is burnt orange. Again, if you have a 351, yep, 4 valve. Up the top there, 351 4 valve. And amazing cars for their time. My father was in the police force, so he actually got to drive these at full speed. And here there's a Galaxy. Yeah, that. Again, not too sure. Have to check with my dad as to whether they were sold off the factory floor like that in Australia. I know our Fairlanes had that same headlight and look that was sold in Australia. Don't know about the Galaxy though. I'm just saying that's American. That though, that's either an XK or an XL. I think that's an X. I don't know. But The very, very first Falcons that came to Australia.
The rental car? Yeah, but he's got two at the back.
And then this here, well, that's a car. That's a Delage. By the flags down the bottom there. Look, it's at France, Australia, so maybe she's French. Man, that car has got some lines. It's a ripper. There's that brake light. Pretty Cecil, pretty sad eyes. Movie car here. Good old Tom Selleck. Oh, here we go. Magnum PI car. Have a read of that. It's got Tom up there on the windscreen. Nothing like a red Ferrari. And then right beside it, oops, sorry. Got ourselves a GT40. Why GT40? Because the roof is just 40 inches off the ground. Look, there's a treat. Let's have a look inside. That's all racing car there. Mid-engined. Yeah, have a look in there. Shelby Mustang beside it. Now, these are more modern. This is the Aussie Falcon GT. There's a row of these. Not quite so old, but all very special. It's a Barra 6-cylinder. That's got some work going into it. Boss 315, big V8 in that one. Australian muscle cars. Ford is no longer making cars in Australia, so it's the end of that sort of thing for Australian muscle until someone comes back. And the end of a classic copy. Beautiful. German design, simplicity itself. Have a look at that dash. Awesome. Another XY. This one's quite different though. The others are like really factory, really stock, and this guy is really not. It's just totally gone to town. Engine with the big MSD coil there, radiator, everything's changed, everything's black. Looks cool. So totally not gone the standard look, but still looks fantastic. Definitely Aussie made. That's the look I was talking about with the headlights. Definitely non-standard wheels, but lovely feeling. Chevrolet Bel Air. What a machine that is. Too many people to get further back, sorry. Chevy. I'm not quite David Freiberger. It's a Camaro. It's an Aussie Tirana. And that is another Chevy Camaro again. That is a Corvette, of course. Then back, this is newer than HQ, maybe HX. I'm guessing the Holden. Sorry, the Holden fans. Just say the yellow Ute was something else. Camaro. Yep, Corvette. And an old one here. Again, I think an FJ, but sorry, my Holdens aren't that. No, the EJ. There you go. I'm thinking this is a pretty serious drag car, this one.
Huh?
That, some serious rubber on the back there.
Okay, so that was my walk around. I really hope you enjoyed that, particularly the Australian muscle cars. I certainly did. To finish off with, I'm going to let you look at my son's little artistic wander around and picking out some angles and sights and taking some stills of shots of cars. So enjoy.